Today we'll be multiplying binomials, okay? All right, so let me go ahead and help you guys over here. So let's put the question here. So multiplying binomials. All right, that's our topic for today. All right, so let's come up with the question here. So let's come up with something like 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 2. All right, so we have a binomial times a binomial, right? Now, the first thing comes to my mind when I see this, I can do this three ways. One, I can do the distributive property, and the other one is the FOIL method, and the other one is the box method. Today, I'll be showing you two methods. Those are my two favorites. So we will start by doing the distributive property. Okay, so the distributive property states that each of the numbers right here will be distributed times each of the numbers on the second parentheses. So in other words, this term will get multiplied times both of these numbers right here. So let's start by taking this number here, the 2x, right? And that 2x is gonna be distributed times each of the numbers inside the parentheses, all right? So be 2x minus 2, there, 2x minus 2, all right? And I need the, let me get another color here. Good, I'll take red. All right, so then I need this plus 1 here. Right, so plus 1, that comes from here, so 2x plus 1. Now that plus 1 is going to be multiplied times the same terms inside here, which is 2x minus 2. I'm going over a little bit my whiteboard, but it's okay. All right, we'll just put a divided here instead. All right, so now I can distribute this times each of the terms. I'll probably use a different color. Let me use blue. There. So then I can distribute here. All right, so 2x times 2x, that's gonna be 4x squared. 2x to minus 2 will be minus 4x. Right, now I'm gonna distribute this 1. So 1 times 2x will be plus 2x. And then 1 times negative 2 will be negative 2. All right, I'll take a minute to write this down. Notice right here, you guys need to go ahead and combine like terms. So we have two terms they need to combine. So we're gonna bring everything else down. So it's the 4x squared minus 4x plus 2x is gonna be equals to negative 2x. All right, and then we're just gonna bring down the minus 2. All right, and that is it, okay? You can type a final answer. This will be equals to, and I'm gonna type the answer this time. Let's do it with this color here. So the final answer will be 4x squared minus 2x minus 2. Okay. And we can just leave it like that. Okay, and this would be your answer. Okay, if you want to box this answer, you can do that. I'm not sure if you guys can see my tools, but I have the tools here, so it's my answer. Okay, now I'm going to use the box method. So the box method, super cool. Let me see. Let's do it over here. Put it over here. Okay, that's my box method. A line here. Another line through here. Okay, so what's going to go inside here? I'm going to multiply the same binomial. Right, so here is going to be, it really doesn't matter where you put what, as long as you are consistent. So you can put right here 2x plus 1. Okay, and then here we can put 2x minus 2. So 2x, you can just put right here, minus 2. So at the same time, you're learning some zoom strategies here. Okay. Okay, so now just multiply straight across. I'm gonna fill the box. And you guys can help me out, but it's pretty easy. So this will be 2x times 2x will be 4x squared. And 2x times 1 will be 2x. All right. And then minus 2 times 2x will be minus 4x. Sorry, I have a mess in my classroom. Minus 2 times 1 will be minus 2. And that's pretty much it. Now I just get this term here, get it out of the box. So 4x squared, combine this 2 here, right? So the two middle terms will be combined. In other words, the diagonal here, right? This diagonal here will be combined. And that is gonna give us, minus 2x. And then just bring down the minus 2. Notice that we get in the same answer as what we got on the left here. So the two answers are correct. So whichever way you prefer to do it, you can do it, but this is my answer. All right, we are done for today, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.